This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Cronus Zen to a PlayStation 4. First, you'll need to connect your Cronus Zen to your computer using the provided mini USB cable. Then, download and install the Zen Studio software from the official Cronus website. It's crucial to update your Cronus Zen's firmware to the latest version for optimal performance. Finally, make sure your PlayStation 4 controller is either fully charged or connected via a USB cable, ready for the next steps. Now, let's make the physical connections. Take the short micro USB cable and connect one end to the Cronus Zen's a 1-port and the other end to your PlayStation 4 console. Next, connect your primary PlayStation 4 controller to the Cronus Zen's a 3-port using a data-capable micro USB cable. For advanced features like full crossover support, you might also connect an authentic PlayStation 4 controller to the a 2-port. Double-check all connections to ensure they are secure. With the physical connections made, it's time to configure Zen Studio. Open the software on your computer and go to the Device tab. Here, you'll need to select the PlayStation 4 console type in the Output Protocol settings to ensure proper communication. This is also where you can load and configure any specific game packs or scripts you wish to use. Once you've made your selections, remember to save your settings directly to the Cronus Zen device. Finally, let's test your setup. Power on your PlayStation 4 console. The Cronus Zen's LED display should show a 0 or the number corresponding to your active game pack, indicating it's ready. Launch a game and test your controller inputs to confirm everything is working as expected. If you encounter any issues, first recheck all your cable connections and ensure your firmware is up to date. For persistent problems, the official Cronus Zen forums are an excellent resource for support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.